What's going on, everybody? Today's trading recap, May 24th, 2021. I am down $2,276 on the day with only 4 trades, all of them in the red. How do I feel? Not too bad. It hasn't ruined my day. I feel like I could just make a comeback up the rest of the week. So before I start, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. So to begin, I did size up quite a lot today just because I had the mindset of, hey, Thursday I might not be able to trade because I'm leaving for a trip early morning. So I'm in the mindset of, let me see if I can make up for Thursday's missing out on the trading and size up today, which turns out to be a really bad idea because the entire market started moving up. And every setup that it took was an A plus setup for me, but everything started reversing, and there was some positions that I got a little too greedy in, where, for example, Baba, I was up maybe 300-400 bucks, and I decided not to take it because I was looking for a profit target and mentally. And when it didn't hit, I kind of let the loser run way too big, and that's why I am down $730 on Baba. Same with JD. I did get in on a really good size contract and a good setup as well too. But I was in the profit target zone. I alerted everyone in Discord to take profit, and right when I alerted everyone to take profit, it started reversing on me. But I had that mentality of, I want JD to hit the zone. I want it to hit the zone, and of course, when it didn't, I held it on, or I held on to it longer than I should have, which resulted in a $210 loss. So greed did get to me a little bit here, and Baba, I was in 20 put contracts, and it didn't go the way that I wanted to, and I expected it to make a drop because when market was moving up, Baba was just consolidating in a range. So when I saw that it kind of broke out of that range, I did add in 2 more contracts, which resulted in 20 puts. So that drop didn't last very long. It just kind of kept bouncing back and forth, and market kept moving up. So I decided to cut it for $730 loss. BA and Tesla, they all had a good setup too. Tesla was moving up, and it was a really risky position. I went in with only 6 contracts and started reversing right away, and I just had to I stopped out on that one. But all in all, down $2,276. It hasn't bugged me today at all. I mean, yeah, I'm kind of bummed that it took out my profits for the month, but I am still up on the month. This is my 4th red day, my biggest red day for the month, and I'm hoping to recover that the rest of the week. So I'm hoping that I'll probably start sizing down for the rest of the week. But now, Monday is my worst trading day. The only red bar here, down $1,006 on Mondays. All the rest are over 1,000 or so. Fridays being my best because I learned to size down a lot and take profits really quick. So that's that and adds up a lot. So let's go over my live trades that I have. I'm liking this setup on JD here. Broke the trend line and trading below the VWAP and 20 moving average. I just want to see if this can break the previous resistance, or sorry, the previous support level on the previous 5-minute candle there. The previous 5-minute candle was a doji, so it might be a reversal to the downside. Have to be careful here. Look at the cues. Everything is moving up. I'm hoping a red candle below the 20 moving average would push JD down and form a double bottom. Most of my trades that I go for, I always take profit at a double bottom, and that's where I'm looking for JD to go. So right now, just entered in with just 10 contracts. I am up about 60 bucks if I were to sell on the bid or sell on the ask. It needs to break $72 mark, and I could see it push lower, depending on how the market's going to react here. Alright, still up about 70 bucks. JD's moving really slow. I'm not really liking how the contract moves. Look at all the space here. There's really not enough volume. in these contracts. Alright, so I might look to get stopped out on the double top of JD. It's moving up way too high, and I think this is where greed kind of just, or being too hopeful in a position, you know, if a position starts going the wrong way, I should just start cutting losses. And I could always think about re-entering. I don't know why I keep holding on to my losses. All right, let's see if the 100 moving average will act as resistance. That's one of the downsides of having my moving averages up. Mentally, I keep thinking, okay, let's use 20 moving average as resistance. Okay, let's use the 50 moving average as resistance. Okay, if it's trading past the 50 now, let's use the 100 moving average as resistance. And now it's just like, now I'm just in for a bigger loss, and you know, that's one of the, I guess, mistakes that a lot of traders make, and that's one of the mistakes that I still make as well. So it's really hard to overcome all of that, because mentally you don't want to take red, and then eventually the reds become a lot bigger. So now if I sell the market right now, it's just gonna fill me in at the bid, so I'd be down $240. Yeah, market's moving on up, really risky. I just want to see some rejection at the 100 moving average, and then I'll just cut my losses if it breaks above. Not really liking the price action at all. Alright, I'm out. That was about a $220 loss or so. Gotta exit out of this account as well too. BABA looks really good to the put side. Needs to break below the VWAP. I'll enter in with just, let's do 5 contracts here. I mean, look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute looks good for a reversal down to the support level, maybe around the low 210s. Alright, so I am in with still 10 contracts, up about maybe $75 or so. The premiums are, you know, keeps going down, but BABA's going down too. Not really liking the move so far. I'm hoping SPY has a push down, so that way BABA has a push down as well too. I'm not liking this green candle. It looks like there might be some momentum to the upside. If it does, I do want it to flag down. Alright. BABA is still just consolidating here. $405 profit now. I'm still looking to sell around 335, 340 area. It's not really okay. I'm up $505 now. BABA's moving down, market's moving up. Really risky, and maybe I should think about closing out my position here and take this $505. I don't know what I'm thinking, to be honest. I'm still hoping for kind of like a double bottom. I mean, BABA's moving down and the market's moving up, so there's a reason that BABA is heading lower. About 10 cents from my profit, up $605. Alright, and I want this to flag. I'm at $305 profit now, and I should look to get stopped out if it doesn't flag at all, but of course, you know, I gotta be too hopeful. Alright, so not looking too good on BABA here. Holding this for almost an hour now, and this is taking up most of my morning. I might look to get stopped out on BABA here. This is where greed is kind of killing my account this month. And I thought last month was pretty bad. Contracts are trading at $2.69 now. Out $20. Or sorry, 20 contracts. That's okay. BA is trading a little slow today, but it looks like it wants to move down. So if the market starts moving down now, BA might be able to follow strongly with it. It's trading below the trend line, but it could also still have a push up above. It's trying to hug the 20 moving average right now, and there's still some bullish momentum. See how the candles are painted green? That is the super trend indicator working. That bullish momentum is still not over, and it could still have a push up. So I don't really use a super trend indicator as some type of entry or exit. I just like it because it's better visually for my eyes. I don't like seeing a bunch of red and green mixed together. It kind of just creates a lot of noise for me personally. So it's moving really slow. Market's trading below the 20 moving average now, but Boeing is just kind of consolidating. Not really liking the price action here now. Down a lot actually. These spreads aren't looking too good. They're opening up. Here's where I just need to get stopped out here. I probably should have stopped out right at the 20 moving average, but I'm letting my losers run. Alright, I'm gonna get stopped out here. I'm in Tesla puts, about 5 contracts, and I'll add if it goes my way. Looks like it's just trying to use the trend line as resistance right now. I want to see it break down. Qs look good to the downside, but I'm hoping Tesla follows because Tesla is a scary position right now to take puts in, because look at the strength of Tesla this morning. It is just ramping up, and it did flag, push up a little bit, made some type of double top right there. And I'm hoping for a push down to the support level, and if we could break the support level on the 5-minute chart, we can see it head lower to the VWAP level. But Qs needs to come down for that to happen. But right now it looks like we're gonna have a push up, and seeing this push up, I might look to get stopped out because it's moving against me already. There's some type of rejection happening on the Qs, but I want to see where this goes. Alright, adding one more contract, just 6 contracts now in total, breaking even if I were to exit. But it looks like there's a strong candle to the downside. Maybe the bullish momentum is going to end here, and we might see a reversal down to this double bottom, right below 596 or 595-ish. So that's where I would like to sell. $50 moving average seems to be acting as some type of support level here. I'm not liking that at all, actually. This candle, personally, I don't like this big red candle. I don't like how it closed. I was never a really good judge of where this candle or where the stock would trade when this candle appears. Alright, Tesla's moving against me. I might look to get stopped out here. Alright, I'll get out here. Tight stop loss. Still a big loser though. So that $10,000 profit target for the month of May seems pretty far off now. Profit went from $6,500 to $4,100 in a day. As long as I end above $3,000 to $3,500, I'll be happy. And this trading journal, if you guys want to know, it's called Trader Sync. I have the link for that in the description below. So if you guys are curious, I do trade full-time, but I also have a web development business that I've been running for the past 5 years on the side. I have clients ranging all across the country, so if you are looking for a website, feel free to reach out. And that finishes off our daily recap for Monday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys tomorrow.